Getting help with luggage at the airport. Thank you so much for driving me here safely.
You're very welcome. Well, here we are at the airport terminal.
Yes, perfect timing. Would you mind helping me with my luggage?
Not at all. I'd be happy to help. Do you mean the large suitcase?
Yes, the blue one in the trunk. It's quite heavy, I'm afraid.
Don't worry about it. I'll get it out and carry it for you.
You're so kind. I need to find my way to departure gate C.
No problem. Why don't we walk there together? I'll help you find it.
Is gate C located far from here?
Not really just a short walk, maybe 5 minutes at most.
That's a relief. I was worried about getting lost in this big airport.
Don't worry. There are clear directional signs everywhere to guide you.
To be honest, this is my very first time flying alone.
You'll do just fine. The airport staff are very helpful if you need anything.
That makes me feel much more confident. Thank you.
Look, we're already here. This is gate C, right in front of us.
Wonderful. I can grab a luggage cart from over there.
Yes, exactly. There are complimentary carts available right there.
I can't thank you enough for all your assistance today.
It's truly my pleasure. I'm always happy to help travelers.
What do I owe you for the ride from my hotel?
The fare comes to $15, please.
Here you are. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. That's very generous.
You've been incredibly kind and patient with me today.
I'm just doing my job. Have a safe and pleasant flight.
Goodbye and thanks again for everything.
Safe travels. Enjoy your journey.
Finding the information desk. Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes. What do you need?
Where is the information desk?
For flights or for the city?
For flights. I need my gate number.
Okay. It is on the ground floor.
How do I go down?
Take those escalators on the left.
Is there an elevator?
Yes. Next to the escalators.
Good. I have a big suitcase.
Then use the elevator.
Is the desk far?
No. 2 minutes walking.
Are there signs?
Yes. Blue signs with letter I.
Oh, I see them.
Follow the arrows to the end.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. That's my job.
I feel better now.
I'm glad.
I have time before my flight.
Good. Have a safe trip.
Thank you for your patience. Asking someone to watch your bag. Excuse me, where is the toilet?
In the back. Turn right.
Thank you. I am not from here.
No problem.
Is it far?
No. Very close.
Good. Can I ask a favor?
Yes. What is it?
Can you watch my suitcase?
Yes. No problem.
Thank you. I will be quick.
Okay. I will stay here.
It is the red suitcase.
I see it.
I will come back soon.
Take your time.
You are very kind.
Happy to help.
I'm back.
Welcome back. Your bag is safe.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Are you on flight 5?
Yes, I am.
Me too.
Then we travel together.
Thanks again.
Have a good flight.
You too.
Thanks.
Ask to open the window on the bus. Hi, excuse me. Can you open the window a little?
Sure. Are you not feeling well?
I'm feeling a bit sick. It's too hot.
Oh, okay. I'll open it now.
Thanks. The fresh air helps a lot.
You're welcome. Feeling a little better?
Yes, a bit better already.
Want me to open it more?
No, this is perfect.
Good. Fresh air is nice.
Yes, long rides always make me tired.
Me too. Are you going far?
All the way to the last stop.
Oh, wow. That's long.
Yes, that's why I feel sick.
Do you want some water? I have a bottle.
That's very kind. Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. I feel better.
Glad to hear that.
This happens to me a lot on buses.
Yes, it happens to many people.
With the window open, it's much better.
Yes, fresh air comes in.
Is it long before we reach downtown?
No, about 20 minutes?
Perfect. I think I'll be okay.
Yes, you'll be fine.
Thanks for your help.
No problem. Happy to help.
I just hope I get there safely.
Don't worry. You will.
I feel calmer now.
Great. Have a good trip.
Thanks a lot.
Look for a socket to charge your phone. Hi, excuse me. Do you know if there's an outlet here?
Yes, I think there's one in the back.
Perfect. I need to charge my phone.
Sure, right over there by the windows.
Thanks a lot. I didn't see it.
It's a little hidden.
Can I sit next to it while it charges?
Yes, there are chairs right there.
Great. My battery is almost dead.
That happens to everyone when traveling.
Yes, I use the map a lot.
Me too, when I'm in another city.
Are you waiting for the train too?
Yes, the 4 o'clock one.
Oh, me too.
Then we've got time to charge.
Does the outlet work well?
Yes, I used it yesterday.
Perfect. You saved me.
Do you have your own cable?
Yes. I always carry one.
Smart. I sometimes forget mine.
Ha ha ha. It happened to me once. I learned.
Well, now you're ready.
Thanks for showing me the spot.
No problem. Have a good trip.
Have a good trip too.
Ask which transport is the cheapest and fastest.
Hi. Excuse me. Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
I need to get downtown.
From here, the station?
Yes, I'm a little lost.
No problem. I live here.
What's the best way to go?
Oh, there's the bus, the subway, and the train.
Which one is the cheapest?
The bus, that's the cheapest.
And the fastest?
The train, it takes only 15 minutes.
And the subway?
It's in the middle, not too slow, not too expensive.
Got it. Thanks.
You're welcome. Are you in a hurry?
Yes, I have a meeting soon.
Then take the train.
Where's the train station?
2 blocks straight ahead, you'll see a blue sign.
Perfect. How much is the ticket?
About $3.
Great. I have some cash.
There are machines there to buy tickets.
Thanks for the info. That's very kind.
No problem. I like helping visitors.
With your directions, I'll be fine.
Perfect. Have a good trip.
Thanks again.
You're welcome. See you later.
See you later. Request luggage storage. Hi, excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the luggage lockers in the station.
Yes, they're on the ground floor.
I'm not from here. How do I get down?
Take those escalators on the left.
Perfect. I have a large suitcase.
Over there, you'll find large and small lockers.
Is it far?
No, just a 2-minute walk.
How much does it cost to leave a bag?
About $3 a day.
Great. I have some coins.
You can also pay by card.
Is it safe to leave my things there?
Yes, there are cameras and staff nearby.
Perfect. That makes me feel better.
How long do you want to leave the suitcase?
5 hours until my train.
No problem, that's fine.
Until what time is it open?
Until 10 at night.
Perfect. I have plenty of time.
Each locker has simple instructions.
Thanks. I always get lost with machines.
If you want, staff can help you.
Great. That helps a lot.
All right, you can go there now.
Thanks a lot for your kindness.
You're welcome. Have a good trip. Table taken by mistake?
Hi, can I sit here?
Hi. Sorry, this table is reserved.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know.
It's okay. The sign is easy to miss.
It's my first time in this cafe.
Welcome. There are free tables in the back.
Great. Can you show me one?
Of course, come with me. There's one by the window.
I like the light. Thanks.
Yes, it's a quiet table.
Can I sit here then?
Yes, this one is open.
Thanks a lot for your help.
You're welcome. Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please.
Here you go. We also have a lunch special today.
What's in the lunch special?
Soup, entree, bread, and a drink.
Sounds good. What do you recommend today?
The veggie soup and the roast chicken are very popular.
I love soup.
Then I can bring you the soup as a starter.
Yes, and the chicken for the entree, please.
Perfect. To drink, water, or a Coke?
Water. Thank you.
All right, I'll bring it right out.
Thanks. You're very kind.
No problem. Enjoy your meal.
I'm sure I will.
If you need anything, just call me.
Perfect. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Find a wallet on the street. Excuse me, miss.
Yes?
Your wallet fell out of your bag.
Oh no, I didn't see that.
Here, I picked it up off the ground.
Thank you so much. That's very kind.
No problem. I saw it drop.
You saved me. Everything is inside.
Good thing I noticed in time.
Yes, I was so scared.
Is everything still in there?
Yes, nothing is missing.
I'm glad I could give it back.
Really? Thanks so much again.
No worries. It's the right thing to do.
Not everyone is so honest.
I try to help when I can.
Are you in a hurry?
Not really, just walking around.
I'd like to buy you a coffee.
Really? You don't have to.
Yes, it's my way of saying thanks.
Well, I'd be happy to.
There's a little cafe right next door.
Perfect. I love coffee.
Let's go then.
Yes, come with me.
Thanks again for what you did.
You're welcome. Happy to help.
Now I get to meet someone nice.
And I meet someone grateful.
Ha ha, what a good story.
Yes, something to tell friends.
Let's go before the cafe gets full.
Good idea.
Coffee's on me.
Thanks. That's very kind.
No problem. Let's go.
Order a leftover takeaway. Hi. Can I get a box to go?
Sure. What do you want me to put in it?
Just half of my pizza, please.
No problem. I'll box it up.
There's also some salad left.
Do you want me to put that in a small container?
Yes, that would be great.
Do you want the bread as well?
Yes, 2 pieces, please.
All right. I'll pack everything for you.
Thanks. That's really kind.
No problem. Happy to help.
Can I get some plastic utensils too?
Sure. A fork and a spoon?
Yes, so I can eat later.
Would you like some napkins?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Perfect. Now I can put it all in my bag.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was delicious.
Glad to hear that.
Do I need to pay for the boxes?
No, they're free.
Oh, that's great.
Here's your box and container.
Thanks. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Will you be paying by card or cash?
By card, please.
All right. Just swipe your card here.
Done. All set.
Perfect. Here's your receipt.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you for coming.
I try to come here whenever I can.
We love hearing that. Goodbye. Enjoy your food later.
Goodbye.